In this video, I'm unveiling a revolutionary scalping strategy that uses two of TradingView's most accurate indicators. Perfect for the 1-minute and 3-minute charts, this strategy is a goldmine for scalpers seeking quick, consistent profits. While I won't promise a 100% win rate, as that's simply not possible in trading, I am confident that if you give this strategy a try and use it for paper trading, you will see awesome results. Whether you're trading cryptocurrencies, forex, or stocks, this strategy can deliver exceptional results. I tested this strategy manually 100 times on the 1-minute gold chart, and here are the results. I started trading with a $5,000 account balance, and I use 5 to 10% of my account per trade. For example, if I profit $100 on a trade, my new balance is $5,100, and I use 5 to 10% of this updated balance for the next trade. Just think about how quickly your account potentially could grow with a consistent winning strategy. Traders, before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. This way you won't miss out on any of the powerful trading strategies I share, which can significantly boost your trading success. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. The strategy includes 2 indicators only. In order to add the first indicator, click on the Indicators tab and search for LuxAlgo Signals and Overlays Premium. It is the most popular premium tool created by LuxAlgo. Now click that to add it to your chart. And for the second indicator, you want to choose this one, LuxAlgo's Price Action Concepts Indicator. Alright, now let's click the settings of the Signals and Overlays indicator. For the presets and filters, you want to use None. For the signal mode, you want to use Confirmation and Exits, and set the candle coloring to Confirmation Simple, and disable the Smart Trail. For the signal sensitivity, depending on the asset and time frame you're trading, I'll recommend using a signal sensitivity of 23 to 28, or use the autopilot sensitivity set to long term. Now open the settings of the second indicator. Set the internal market structure value to 10. Disable the Show Last option right here. And now you want to scroll down to the Liquidity Concepts section and enable the trend lines. Our setup is ready. For today's strategy, our main focus lies on combining trend lines not only with the buy and sell signals but also with market structure to have more precise entries. But before we get into the exact trading rules, let's first understand the indicators that we're going to use for this strategy. The confirmation signals are based on a performance-adaptive trend-following methodology. As the name suggests, they aim to confirm any potential action a trader might take and are more effective when used in confluence with other features, which is why we combine them with trend lines. Now let's talk about trend lines. Using LuxAlgo's indicator, the trend lines appear automatically, with blue representing an uptrend and red for a downtrend. These trend lines help us identify the current market direction and provide a visual guide for when to enter or exit trades. For a buy entry, we'll be looking for price to either bounce off the blue trend line or break above the red trend line. For a sell entry, we look for price to get rejected off the red trend line or break below the blue trend line. Next, the market structure labels. These labels are CHOC and BOS, which help us confirm market reversals or trend continuation. Green labels signal potential buy opportunities, while red labels indicate sell opportunities. CHOC means change of character and marks a shift in market direction, indicating a potential reversal. BOS means break of structure and signals a continuation of the current trend by breaking a significant level of support or resistance. Together, these labels help confirm whether the market is reversing or continuing its trend, giving more confidence to trade entries. Combining these with trend lines and the buy and sell signals creates a strong confluence. So, when exactly should we enter and exit buy or sell trades? Here are the exact rules for a buy position. First, you want to see a blue trend line appear, indicating an uptrend. Second, you need to see a buy signal. And third, within this uptrend, you want to see a BOS label appear. Once all these conditions are met, you can enter a buy trade. However, make sure the price at the candlestick where all conditions align isn't too far away from the current trend line. If it is, it's better to wait for a pullback into the trend line before entering. Also keep in mind that these conditions don't have to happen in the exact same sequence. For example, the BOS label can appear after the buy signal, and it would still be valid. Once you're ready to enter, set your stop loss just below the trend line or the recent swing low. For your take profit, I recommend using a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio to maximize potential gains. Now let me show you another buy trade example. In this example, the sequence is a bit different, but the rules remain the same. First, we get a buy signal, but there's no trend line yet. A few candles later, the blue trend line and the BOS label both appear, confirming the uptrend. This time, for the stop loss, we're going to use the most recent swing low instead of the trend line. And for the take profit, we'll target a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio, just like before, aiming to maximize our potential gains while keeping risk in check. Alright, now let's see one more buy trade example. In this final example, we start with a bearish red trend line, but the price breaks above the trend line, signaling a potential reversal. Shortly after, we see a chalk label appear, confirming the change in market direction. Then, a strong buy signal follows, giving us solid confidence to enter a buy trade. For the stop loss, we can either use the recent swing low or the trend line as a protective level. Once again, we'll be targeting a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio to ensure we maintain a favorable balance between risk and reward. Traders, if you like this video and strategy, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Before we dive into how to enter a sell trade, I want to take a moment to mention the LuxAlgo Discord community. While this particular strategy wasn't shared there, the Discord is filled with profitable strategies and an amazing group of traders. If you decide to get LuxAlgo, you won't be alone. There's a huge community ready to share their strategies, updates, and results. You'll see members posting charts, trades, and answering questions, making sure that everyone can grow and succeed together. Okay, now let's learn how to enter a sell trade. First, you want to see a red trend line appear, indicating a downtrend. Second, you need to see a sell signal. And third, within this downtrend, you want to see a red BOS or chalk label appear. Once all these conditions are met, you can enter a sell trade. Remember, we said we want to make sure the price at the candlestick where all conditions align isn't too far away from the current trend line. If it is, it's better to wait for a pullback into the trend line before entering. Currently, we're far away from the trend line, so we're waiting for a pullback. At this candlestick, the price pulled back into the trend line, so we're going to place a sell order just right here. Once you're ready to enter, set your stop loss just above the trend line or the recent swing high. For your take profit, use again a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio to maximize potential gains. Alright, now let's see one more sell trade example. In this final example, we start with a bullish trend line, but the price breaks below the trend line, signaling a potential reversal. Shortly after, we see a chalk label appear, confirming the change in market direction. Then, a strong sell signal follows, giving us solid confidence to enter a sell trade. For the stop loss, we can either use the recent swing high or the trend line as a protective level. Once again, we'll be targeting a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio to ensure we maintain a favorable balance between risk and reward. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, forex, and stocks, check out this video right here.